delicious when it crunches. That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
This is not a test. At around 8 p.m. local time, an unidentified creature has been spotted near the Hudson River. The creature is believed to be hostile, as the bodies of 2 police officers have already been found. If you live in any of these cities, New York, Yonkers, Peekskill, Newburgh, Poughkeepsie, or Kingston, we strongly advise that you go indoors immediately. Once inside, lock all of your doors and windows, cover your windows with anything you can find, and do not answer the door for any reason. This public safety order shall be in effect until you receive an all-clear signal from an official city worker in your area. Wait until they come up to your door. Do not turn on your TV, as the creature may be able to project itself through your TV screen and get into your home, putting yourself and your family in insane danger.